Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock in your Nissan X-Trail. First, simply tap the settings icon on your vehicle's main infotainment display, usually found on the home screen. From there, select System from the available menu options. Next, you will easily locate and choose the clock or date and time category. This takes you directly to the necessary adjustments for your vehicle's time. Once inside the clock settings, select the specific time option. You will see intuitive on-screen arrows or sometimes a numerical pad to precisely adjust the hour. After setting the hour correctly, proceed to adjust the minutes using their respective on-screen controls. Remember to confirm your selection to ensure the new time is saved to your system. Beyond just time, you can also easily modify the date. Navigate to the date setting to adjust the current day, month, and year as needed. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred time display, either a 12-hour or 24-hour format. Finally, select a date format that works best for you, like month, day, year, ensuring all information is clear. For ultimate convenience, consider enabling the automatic time synchronization feature. This smart option utilizes your vehicle's GPS data to automatically update the clock, ensuring it is always precise. Your clock will seamlessly adjust itself when you cross different time zones, and it will also account for any daylight saving changes. This feature truly simplifies maintaining accurate time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.